Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to turn off ads in their personalization. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll up to find connections. Then let's go to more connection settings and go to Private DNS. Now we've got the automatic option set, but all we have to do is to mark Private DNS provider hostname, and here in this section enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And thanks to setting the private DNS, we will limit the advertisements. Moreover, in the settings, let's scroll all the way down, maybe not all the way. Just find the Google services, let's tap, then go to all services, scroll and find the ads in the privacy and security. So here we've got something which is called advertising ID, and basically the whole idea of this option is to show you personalized advertisements. So for example, if you were looking for a specific item, for example a lamp, your device will show you a lot of offers, advertisements with the offers connected with this specific lamp, maybe different colors, different shades, different lamps, but somehow connected with this specific item, and this is what advertising ID is. So resetting or removing it will not limit the amount, the number of advertisements. However, it will remove the personalization, which is also a great option. So first of all, simply tap on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then delete Advertising ID to remove it completely. Of course, if you wish, you can get new one, but I don't recommend doing that. Another thing that you can do is to limit the notifications with advertisements. So for example, if you've got the app that is showing you advertisements right here in the notification center, then you can try to turn off the notifications, obviously in the situation if you do not need any notifications from this app. So let me show it to you on the example of Play Store. So tap on it and hold it, and then go to this info icon, tap on it, then go to notifications. And unfortunately in this device we do not have the categories. That's why I said that we have to remove all of the notifications. So all you have to do is to tap on this switcher at the top to block the notifications from this app, and thanks to it, it will not show you the advertisements on the on the notification panel. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to check the ad blocks. And I know it might be obvious for most of you probably, but I just wanted to draw attention to the apps that are not only created for the browsers, like for example the ad blocker for Samsung Internet. Let me actually show you. Simply go to the Play Store, tap on search, and here enter the ad blocker, whatever, something like that. And as I said, I know that there are a lot of ad blocks which are connected with a browser, with a specific browser, for example for the Samsung Internet, but we've got also something which is called ad blocker for Android or content blocker, etc. So I highly recommend to simply check available options, because probably we will be able to find the options that are quite useful for us. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.